Hi ladies, it's Amos. Welcome to another YouTube video. Today is about the Windsor dress. It is a vintage Piphany style. I am in love, and if you want to hear more, stay tuned. While you're waiting, make sure you check out my other videos. Just hop on over to the playlist. And of course, subscribing to the channel, make sure that you don't miss any of our other future videos. And if you feel like you want to get your hands on some of these amazing styles that I'm showing you, make sure you join my group, shopwithamos.com. Let's get to it. This is the Windsor dress. I am in love. First of all, it's $47. I love that it has a really nice scoop neck. I don't think the price point is, overboard for something like this. I love that it's a nice empire waist all the way around. So I love that it has that natural kind of femininity right here. It showcases your, your chest area just a little bit, which I actually am a big fan of. And I love that it's high enough that it kind of camouflages any lumps and bumps on my lower half. Also, I want to tell you, it's got pockets. Oh, cannot believe it. It's got pockets. I think the sleeve is a decent length. I know some of you don't really like this bottom half, but you know what? Layering this would be just fine. Wearing a pashmina is fine too. And I do think this is also stretchy enough that you could probably even wear a long sleeve shirt underneath. This fabric is actually a rayon spandex. It's super, super stretchy, will not fade in the washing machine, does not wrinkle. And girls, this is a 2X. I fell in love with this print. I really wanted to have it. And 3X was out of stock. And I was like, you know what? Let me just try it. Based on the way the shape was, I thought, you know what? I could probably make it work. I have tiny shoulders. I'm very tiny on the top, and then I kind of triangle out. So for me, a 2X works. Now, when I go to put it on, it's a little bit, it's a little bit not tight, but you can feel like you want to be careful when you put it on. Probably because I'm a little bit more top heavy. But there is still plenty of room in this elastic band. I think true to size on this dress would be really, really great. But if you are similar shape to me and you're very, very tiny and wearing bras is always like a problem because the straps are always loose, or they're always falling off my shoulders because they're really like not existent. So if you definitely think that your shape is similar to me, a triangle, then I think sizing down would be okay. But for the most of you ladies, true to size, anybody with broad shoulders, true to size. I love the length of this, okay? Now I'm currently wearing it with the Manhattan jeggings, but I did try it on earlier today with nothing on. Super, super cute as a summer dress, but I wanted to show you, because at one point summer's gonna end and you're gonna need to put on warmer clothes. And so I think leggings, jeggings, jeans would absolutely be adorable. I think this is just like an easy dress to just throw on. I really love the pockets. I love the length of it. I love how stretchy it is. I'm sold. I am sold on this dress. You can add a belt for like a little flare, a red belt or something. It would be super, super fun. These come in a myriad of colorways. They are available from extra small to 3X. $47, I don't think is so bad for something like this that you can wear as a dress in the summer and then get maximum wearability out of it in the winter. This will look darling with tall boots because you only show like the knee area. And I think the stretch on this is really, really nice. And there's a multitude of colorways available to you. So you gotta make sure you join my group, shopwithamos.com, so you can get your hands on one of these because these are seriously life-changing. Now, I also wanna say that if you are wearing it as a dress and you're not a big fan of your knees or something, the other options you have is opaque tights. There's tons of places that actually sell them. Check out Amazon. Don't forget fishnets. For some reason, I'm a fishnet girl. I think fishnets and really cute peep toe shoes has a really nice kind of like 1950s pinup sexy vibe, and I really go for that. And I think that fishnets are completely underrated. So girls, grab yourself some fishnets. This is appropriate for work. It's appropriate for date night. It's appropriate for a concert or a cruise. This is really going to be a dress that I think you are going to wear at least once a week. So go ahead, join my group, shopwithamos.com, because you know you want one of these. Because with me on your side, you are going to rock your closet. Thanks for watching.